Southern Oaks is a warm, family-friendly community with great schools, beautiful parks, and tons of outdoor activities. It's easy access to shopping, dining, and golf courses, all surrounded by natural beauty. The home I'm going to show you is in Southern Oaks East, located in the gated neighborhood of Westlake Vistas. Let's take a look, and you are going to love this home tour.